Hello kids, let's learn some colors and match the numbers. Red color, brown color, light pink color, yellow color, peacock green color, black color, green color, pink color, dark green color, violet color, sky blue color, orange color. Violet color. 1. Number 1. Pink color. 2. Number 2. Pink color. Brown color. 3. Number 3. Red color. 4. Number 4. Dark green color. 5. Number 5. Dark green color. Let's find out the one number. Number 1. So where it is here? There is number 1. So let's match the one number with one number. So one number, one number. Let's match the number. Violet color. Pink color. Let's find out where is number 2. This is 3, 4, 5. There, yeah, here is number 2. Number 2. Let's match the 2 number with number 2. So here is 2 and here is 2. Match the numbers. Number 3, brown color. Let's find out where is 3 number. No, this is 5, this is 4. Oh, here is 3 number. 3. Number 3. Let's match the 3 number with 3 number. 3 number, brown color. Red color. Let's find out where is 4 number. No, this is 5. Here is 4 number. Number 4. And here is number 4. Let's match the number. 4 with 4. Red color. Dark green color. There is only one number left. This is 5. Number 5. And here is number 5. There is number 5. So let's match the 5 number with 5 number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. 1 number, 1 number. 2 number, 2 number. 3 number, 3 number. 4 number, 4 number. 5 number, 5 number. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.